What about yours? Ok? What about yours? So the end about yours li pa bon. Di what about yours? Ok? Pas di what about yourself. Di what about yours? Ok? Because right now, mpa mando komonte ye. Mpa mando how was your day? Ok? So, wap dim, it was nice. What about yours? So dim what about yourself li pa bon. Because mpa mando pou tetou. Mpa mando pou jounen ou. Alright? My day was wonderful. It was amazing. Okay? So very good. What did you do all day today? What did you do all day today? What did you do all day today? What did you do all day? What did you do all day? Very good, my dear. What did you do all day? Tendez bien. Moi pas do what do you do? Moi do what did you do? What did you do today? Feline, you cannot tell me my day was amazing. What about you? No. What about yours? Et parlant. Ok? Because moi mando pour journée ou, m'pa mando pour tête ou. Si m'de do how are you, on a pote di what about you, then yes my dear, li tap très bien. But, moi do how was your day? Ok? So wap di my day was fine. What about yours? Alright? What did you do today? Vedudu, very good. I slept all day. Bermude, I study all day. Very good. Colbert, you cannot say I went to work all day. You're gonna say I worked all day. So di I went to work all day, c'est un coup rentre dans travail là, ou sorti wala ka ou rentre dans travail là, ou sorti wala ka ou rentre dans travail là. Okay? What di I worked all day. You cannot say I'm cleaning my house because I didn't ask you what are you doing. I say what did you do today? Star Simone, I watch TV all day. Pas di all day I watch TV. Li pas bon. Okay, viril, flip it around. Kayel, I worked all day. Pas di today I went to work all day. Pas di ça, guys. C'est un coup wap marcher al nan travail moun yo sorti de a chaque seconde ou al nan travail moun yo sorti de yo. Remember, you're gonna say I'm still at work. Pas di I'm working today, teach. Di I'm still at work. Moi still nan travail. Feline, very good. That's better. Amatone, you're gonna write I worked all day. Then it was a busy day. I worked all day. Pas di I was busy today. Di kon sa it was a busy day. I worked all day. I took my shower, I had my breakfast, and I went at work all day. You cannot say I went at work all day. I went to work, okay? But no kesa wap di I worked all day. Amatone, you ate all day today? That's impossible. I cleaned today. Nidesh, I cleaned today. Very good. Manisi, I stayed at home all day today. Very good. Marceline, you cannot say I work all days. Okay? C'est un pour mettre tout jou yo ensemble, non seul jou. What di I work all day? Take out the S. I stayed home all day. Very good. I studied my lesson for my biology test. Very good. Okay, my next question to you. What did you have for breakfast today? 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 Don't say I'm sleeping today. I slept all day. I slept all day. What did you have for breakfast today? Manuela, I did my hair today. Ou baka di I do my hair today. I did my hair today. Cause ou fin fè chevaux. So wap di did. The past tense. What did you have for breakfast today? I had vegetables and coffee today. For breakfast? Very good. I cooked for my family. I played, had hide and seek with my daughter. I cleaned my house. I ate spaghetti. Rachel, very good. I took coffee, you mean. Coffee. I had for breakfast today rice with bean and chicken. How about I had rice and beans for breakfast today? Okay? Pas di I had for breakfast today. Di I had rice and beans for breakfast today. Today I had spaghetti for breakfast. Very good. I ate plantain with eggs. Jean Wilson, good job. I had eggs boiled. No, Kyle. I had boiled eggs with bread and coffee for breakfast. I ate some fruits and a cup of hot tea. Muriel, very good. I ate bread and eggs. B-R-E-A-D. B-R-E-A-D. I had coffee and bread today. I had spaghetti. Very good. I had bacon, eggs, and cheese and roll for breakfast. I had spaghetti for breakfast today. Very good. I'm eating fish and rice today. No, I ate rice and fish today. Pas di I'm eating. Si se koun wap manje, okay, fine. But, ou pa ka di I'm eating rice and fish for breakfast anyway. Wap di kon sa ke? I had rice and fish. I had spaghetti with eggs for breakfast. Very good, Martilia. Fruit is my breakfast today. No, I had fruits for breakfast today. I had bread and juice. Okay. I had cornmeal with spinach. Nice. Then I had some cranberry juice. Very good. I cleaned. I cooked. Okay, pas di I cook. I cooked. Put ed na nou. And now I'm working. Pas di I'm. I cleaned, I cooked, and now I'm working. So very good. Did you have any errands today? Did you have any errands today? I had 3 gallons of milk. 3, T-H-R-E-E. So what, did you have any errands today? Did you run any errands today? Did you run any errands today? Pou moun ki pa kon sa, errands vle di lo al nan komisyon. Ou al pran komisyon. Si kom si la ou pase la pos, ou pase nan store, ou pase on kote, all together it's called an errand. Did you run any errands today? If you did, you're gonna write yes, I did. I run some errands today. Okay? Now, si c'est en pile komisyon tal fait, Wap di, I ran some errands today. Okay, if I run, no, ran. Because it's in the past, okay? I ran some errands today. Now, si son seul commission, wap di, I ran an errand today. Okay? I ran an errand today. Un seul. I ran some errands today. Plusieurs. Si son seul commission t'as fait. Okay? I ran an errand today. Si son pile commission, I ran some errands today. Okay? I ran an errand. I ran some errands. I ran an errand. M'dal fait une commission. I ran some errands. Ran ça écrit R-A-N because it's in the past. C'est pas kounya ou va faire commission, so therefore pas ka di I run. What di I ran? R-A-N. Moi tal font commission. I ran an errand today. Moi tal fait quelques commissions. I ran some errands. Okay? Now, or you can say, no I didn't. Pas di no I don't. Okay? No I didn't. Now we're talking in the past tense, guys. Mbablo ken moun ekri no I don't. Di no I didn't. If you did, I ran an errand. Ubi I ran some errands. Okay? If you did not, I didn't. Okay? Mpat. Martilia, fix it, my dear. I didn't. So I'm going to go over this one more time. Whose bag is this? Pour qui moun valise ça? It was my mistake. C'était faute moi. Don't hold any grudges. Pas qu'il y ait aucune rancune. That troubled my mind. Ça bouleverse l'esprit. You don't understand me. Ou pas comprendre moi. I could never betray you. M'pata ka jam trahi you. You say you changed. How so? Ou do changer? Comment? Does the store open at 7 a.m.? Est-ce que boutique la ouvert à 7 heures du matin? She's trying to emphasize that. La PC met accent sur ça. Where should we start, Erica? Qui côté pour nous commencer, Erica? It's of no use, my friend. Et pas utile en rien, ami. Do you recall when Jeff came here? Où songez les Jeff te vin là? I'll gladly move that for you. M'a content déplacer ça pour vous. I want to take this time to thank each and all of you guys tonight. If tonight is your first time watching my live, I want to welcome you. If that's your second or third time, welcome again. My name is Mia Delin. We meet every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 7:30. If you have not subscribed with me on YouTube after this live, go to YouTube, type my name, that's MYRDELINERAYMOND. That's how you'll be able to subscribe with me. Si à soi c'était première fois ensemble avec m'abdou merci et m'abdou bienvenue. Si c'était deuxième ou troisième fois, m'a remercié encore. Non, moi c'est Mia Delin. Nous rencontrons chaque lundi, mercredi et vendredi à 7h30. Ou même qui peut abonner ensemble avec moi. Après là, ça, allez sur YouTube, tapez nom MYRDELINERAYMOND. C'est là où vous pouvez abonner ensemble avec moi. Que vous Dieu m'en bénisse, que vous Dieu m'en guide, que bon Dieu m'en fait autant ensemble avec vous. Ou même qui t'a remis des livres anglais, c'est 2 livres pour $70, 617 419 5381. Ou même qui t'a remis pour un cours anglais privé ensemble avec moi. Chaque lundi, chaque mardi à 10h du matin, ou chaque mercredi, chaque jeudi à 5h de l'après-midi, ou chaque mardi, chaque jeudi à 7h du soir. 617 419 5381 ou bien 978 773 3903. Ou même qui t'a même fixé crédit ou pour. Ou bon maximum 6 mois, ok? $450 seulement. Nothing more, nothing less. And I can get rid of collections, you name it. I can fix your credit for you. Maximum 6 months. Contact me on WhatsApp 617-419-5381. Ou même qui t'a même prend cours computer là. contactez-moi sur 757 818 82 72 ou même qui peut confier petit pièce sous li pas trop tard. Contactez-moi sur WhatsApp. Moi ka edo. Guys, please share the live for me. Share it in groups. Share with your friends, your family. Don't worry about what's behind me after the live. I will post everything up for you guys. And if tonight is your first time, write first time and I will welcome you again. Next Monday is Student Appreciation Day. So that means invite your friends pour ka gagner prime, okay? So m'attend nous tout lundi si Dieu veut à 7h30. Have a wonderful night. Stay positive. God bless.